Welcome to our Bikepacking Myanmar series. We cross the border from Thailand and are instantly welcomed by the beautiful people.
We find ourselves in some muddy situations, seeking out the road less travelled. We deal with extreme weather conditions typical of a Southeast Asian wet season. Settle in for this adventure as we head towards the bustling city of Yangon.
This episode takes us from Mae Sot in Thailand, crossing the border to Myanmar to the tourist town of Hpa-An.
We got an early start on day one. We had 65 kilometres to cover with over 1100 metres climbing. Crossing borders is always a risky game and you never quite know how it will pan out.
Yeah, instantly, as soon as you cross the border, we're on the opposite side. It's taken us back to Europe days. But hopefully we can remember to stay on the right side of the road, because I was getting kind of used to going back to the left.
I know.
Anyway.
I don't know, the ATMs over here seem pretty dangerous. That guy's got an axe.
Sharpening an axe outside of an ATM, so I think we'll skip that one and keep going. Oh, about to get hit by a car. Let's go.
Arrived into Burma. It's been a crazy busy road. Everyone loves to use their horn here. Super dusty, super dirty, and yeah, we managed to get some money out of an ATM, which was a challenge in itself. Now I've just sat down for lunch, also a challenge in itself. Quickly just trying to work out the conversion rate of the dollars, and also quickly trying to learn some basic phrases for the cheese food.
We've achieved some vegetarian food. You want? Bloody good.
Cause I love you so. Oh, get out. So we love it. Ooh, love you more than I can say. I love you like oh, love you more than I can say.
What do you think, Haley?
And a duet with Bao and restaurant owner.
Yes. Thank you. What's happening?
This nice gentleman's just given us this fruit. Kind of tastes like smelly feet. She seems to put a napkin in food.
No. For you. There you go.
For you.
For you.
Worst fruit.
How is that?
Yeah, it's not pleasant.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Probably like a 3.
Really? I'd say 1.
There's not much fruit in it, is there?
No. And they're watching us. They're watching us eat it. So we have to. Oh God. I'm in strife here. Oh, that was a big chunk. I can't have one more. I literally cannot. We've just had one of the scariest moments in our touring history.
So cycled 10 k's along the old highway here, which is no longer used for main traffic. We were recommended to go this way, and then yeah, so about 10 k's down the road we come across the barbed wire gate, an armed guard, and an old angry man.
Yeah, basically the young kid with a huge AK-47 of some sort, and this old man with tattoos all over his chest. It was crazy. So they started yelling they wanted booze and then some money, so we didn't have booze on us and we weren't willing to pay because we didn't know how many of these checkpoints were going to come along. So we decided to turn around and go on the main highway, which is probably just as dangerous. But
So we might have been over 1100 metres climbing in 45-degree heat, but lucky we weren't this guy.
Alright, we've finally arrived. That was a pretty shitty day, only because the first part after the border was really busy, and then we turned off onto the old road and that was going really well, no traffic, it was amazing, and then almost got shot. So we doubled back and we had to do the main road all the way, and we've just pulled off of that highway now and we're into the little main town. So we're going to look for some accommodation for the night. Alright, we made it. We finally checked into some accommodation. What, $12? $12 a night. We've got a couple of fans here. Would love them to be running, but no power until 6 p.m.
That's apparently the norm around
That's the norm around here, no power, the middle of the day. We're gonna have a cold shower and then maybe pop out to the main street and get some food.
Yeah, today's cycle was a pretty tough one.
I think the worst part was I got woken up by the diesel generator outside my window, a pack of dogs having a singing contest, an old lady hawking up her lungs,
Or the man cutting the tree down?
Someone cutting a tree down at some sort of time, the roosters as well. So it was a nightmarish sleep last night. So we're looking pretty tired. It's 5:30, maybe 5:45 in the morning. No time like the present. Let's go. That was some intense cycling. It's the main highway, but it's like in shitty condition. All right, we've chosen this place for breakfast. Indian for breakfast, but it's really good. You don't seem to forget about yourself.
Where are you going?
Yangon.
Yangon. Yangon.
Yangon.
By scale.
Yeah.
Hot.
Hot.
Please wait.
Okay.
And you do it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. This is amazing stuff. This place is one step above a dirt road, and there's the main highway, and one step above a horse and cart. To think this is their main highway from east to west is crazy. It's in a shocking condition. Thank you, thank you. All right, didn't want those cans of speed, so we gave them to the beggars on the side of the road. They can have them, and they'll beg extra hard once they've drank them. It's official. We're traveling across Burma quicker than a car. I think Vin Diesel's in it.
And after 92 kilometres on the road today, we happily pulled into Hpa-An, a popular spot on the backpackers' route, known for its picturesque backdrop of mountain ranges on the Salween River and magical cave systems.
Take care of her. Look after her, she's very special.
And now time to hang out with the locals.